Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in into another of my videos. What we got here today is how to paint the Deadpool belt buckle. This belt buckle is made by Raptor Props. So what we're gonna do first is actually use a little bit of acrylic metallic black paint, and we're gonna water it down with a thinner special for airbrushing. We're gonna mix it really good, trying to make it as thin as possible. Make it a little see-through because what I use is a cold cast belt, so pretty much it's already shiny like metal. So you just don't wanna really go too dark. You still want the metal to be able to be see-through, and then we just start the work. It's actually my first project that I'm really doing airbrush. I masked it first to make sure there's certain parts that they were not gonna turn into the black color, because I didn't want to. And just went for it, did a couple coats, let it dry a little bit, and then just little by little, very detailed. This paint was actually not supposed to be airbrush, it was mostly for brush, so I would really suggest that you get airbrush paint. And after that, I used transparent red. I should have used actually transparent black, and for my next project that's what I'm gonna do. I used transparent red, mixed it with a little bit of airbrush thinner too, so it's able to go right through the airbrush and be able to just spray and go and do what you gotta do. Try to mix it really good though, guys, and just test it a little bit in the parts that you don't want it to be visible, just in case it's not what you expected, and then just go for it. I actually used too much paint, that's what I feel, and I just had, if you cover, you're gonna cover the line first. So pretty much just try to cover all the spots. I think I went a little too much paint on it, and I kind of regret it. I should have went way lighter, because then it would have made it way shinier. But you live and you learn. I still got other projects that I'm gonna do. Still gotta get a couple more belts that I'm gonna paint, the Deadpool belt. So it's live and learn. I'm not too worried about that. And then I just kept painting and painting and painting. I feel I overdid it. That's how it looks dried up. And there I'm just giving it a last coat just to make it a little better, in my opinion. Now we're looking at it closely. So I went too much on the left side. I let the pen dry a little bit, and then the air kind of went over it and gave it a little rough shape. I don't know, it was supposed to be smooth, but because it wasn't totally dry and I kept using the air of the airbrush, it gave it that little rough edges. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys, and I really appreciate you watching this video. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy.